Welcome to Longboat. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how Longboat can help you build a world-class mobility program for your business. What sets Longboat apart from virtually any wireless services organization is our ability to adapt to your organization's existing workflow, systems, and management process and solve for any inefficiencies that exist. So our approach starts with your business objective and your process, and then we build backwards from there. Longboat addresses the two sides of the mobility question. On one side, we have the front end, where mobile devices and mobile applications are used to drive your company's workflow and business model. On the other side, we have the back end, which addresses the best way to manage all of these mobile assets and support users in the field once they're using mobile devices. On the front end, we help businesses identify mobile technology that will assist them in driving their revenue model and better enable workflow. And on the back end, we manage the whole lifecycle process for supporting mobile devices in such a way that your organization saves money and keeps mobile workers productive in the field. We customize this to fit with your unique operational and accounting needs. So what sets us apart from other wireless organizations? This slide shows the various factors different wireless agencies and consulting firms compete on. We offer businesses a single source solution for both custom front-end field worker process automation and custom back-end management. Starting with what we're not, Longboat does not produce hardware or integrate specialized data products. We leverage existing wireless hardware, primarily devices that are available from the wireless carriers directly. As we move through the rest of the categories, you see that Longboat focuses on customizing our process in order to support your process. Flexibility and customization is what we're all about. Most of our ongoing services are actually paid for by the carriers, so you get incredible value. The cost is never significant in relationship to the immediate hard dollar benefit we will provide your organization. Most people think that anything custom is expensive and time-consuming. We've created our own internal management process to deliver custom experiences at a low cost. In short, Longboat is your multi-carrier sole source provider of almost anything wireless. Let's quickly look at the front end of the mobility question. How can I make my field workers more productive, and how can I drive greater profitability within my existing business process? A business process simply starts with an objective, and you have management staff who oversee different parts of the business model. They motivate their team to coordinate in a specific way to deliver a result. Those staff members rely on technology-based automation tools such as CRM, billing, dispatch, time and attendance, point of sale, service delivery, and Salesforce automation systems. All of these components work together to drive productivity and revenue. If we bring all of the technology automation directly to the smartphones of your field staff, you'll find there are incredible cost efficiencies, faster revenue recognition, and increased productivity waiting for you. So how do we do this? It simply starts with some of the following questions that may be occurring inside your business today. A VP of sales might wonder how he or she can enhance the sales process in the field. A service manager might need to streamline the field service process. A fleet manager may wish to drive better fuel economy and reduce maintenance costs across the fleet. A COO may want real-time visibility into all activity in the field as it relates to the company billing platform. A marketing director may wish to have a tool to create simple data collection forms which are collected on a server so that the company has a record of leads for an upcoming trade show. Believe it or not, these are all easy things to mobilize and get done. There are plenty of commercially available applications we can quickly identify, and in some cases, they can be achieved with some simple custom development. So how do we find the right solutions for our clients? Well, first we set up some time to identify areas within your business to streamline. Next, we check to see if there are any commercially available applications to achieve what we need. Most often, there's a solution already built. We then customize and test that solution and deploy it. What if there's no off-the-shelf application available for your specific needs? Most often, companies abandon the effort at this point. We, on the other hand, simply build a scope of work. Next, we determine if the project is economically feasible. If our development cost is greater than the near-term financial benefit, we then take our scope of work to the platform vendor to see if they would like to develop it for you and their other clients. If there's a clear return on investment and you decide to move forward with the project, we build it. We then test it, make any necessary adjustments, and deploy. This is not a scary process and can be completed in much less time than you think. Now let's look at the back-end management process. Longboat works closely with corporate management to understand the current process and where things seem disorganized or inefficient. CIOs and IT managers who have a lot of different IT-related responsibilities can leverage us in a big way. We start with an audit of what you have and cost optimize your plans for maximum savings. We cover such things as proper carrier selection and consolidation, most optimized rate plan strategy, and basically help you create a system that works to support your goals. Next, we train office staff on the newly created process, enhancements and policies, and support all of their requests. We always make sure that individual orders and requests adhere with the strategic decisions made at the corporate level. Through Longboat, you've now just inherited access to carrier provisioning and support systems. Our help desk has immediate access to provision orders, make account changes and execute employee transfers, perform billing system lookups, process device exchanges, and make relevant special pricing requests on your behalf. Now let's take a look at all of this in action.